So guys, it rained so bad yesterday. It's so bad last night. Michael, say hi.
Hi.
It's been a long time without Michael, but here he is for those who have been asking. So he has come to help me deal with this. I feel so heartbroken, like really very heartbroken, but it has to be done. So unfortunately, it wasn't like ready. Will that Jambia help you? Enekola, oba we bring in sururu. Yeah. So yeah, that's how bad. Our banana wasn't ready yet. The other one was ready. And can you see, guys, the whole branch is just out here. I feel so bad. Michael, now what are we going to do with indagala? Tugenda zisula. Eh? Nanti, those ones are too big for the small saucepans. Eh, to cover the garden.
Yes.
Okay. My daughter is busy. See how busy my daughter is. She's busy washing her clothes. We can still eat it.
Hey.
Tuliam.
Can be eaten.
We are going to eat katogo in it because I don't see it making good merenyige. We shall just eat katogo out of it. So guys, that's how we've made the loss with our matoke. So I think the insect, do they call them insects or parasites? How do they call them?
Banana.
Banana what?
Banana.
Banana?
Hey.
They call it banana? Yeah. It was already destroyed. So guys, help me. Tell me what I can do to save the others that are not yet infected. You can see all over, it is all infected. So let me know how best I can help the next one, because when you look closely, that one is almost bringing a fruit. So let me know how I'm supposed to help. Let me see where it came from. And then we have to work with this, because if we don't, Emmy will have a party in my beans. Emmy and Lucky will have a party in my beans. Let me fast forward here. Because I didn't want them to come here and we fight. Basically, this is where it came from, and that's the only thing that was holding it in the ground. So let me know what I can pour down here. I can see a lot of munyera. What is munyera in English? I don't know, but let me know, because you can see we need to put medicine here before it's too late. Michael, jogena chitekawa echo anti girete tugira tugende. So these are our beans. They are looking okay, but then guys, the roots are so much, like we need sticks. I don't even know how to explain it. We got climbing beans. I don't know how. It's not what I wanted, but it's what we got. See how it's taking all over the cassava, and then the whole fence. I don't even feel like going in here, but yeah, it's looking beautifully green. But we have this one which seems to be very healthy, and then the other ones also seem to be healthy, and then our Junie is also looking very healthy. Yeah, so let me know how best I can help my plant. Basically, today's weather was so bad, so bad, that even the house is wet inside. Now for that one, I don't know what I will do to solve the problem, but let me show you. I'm going to show you inside, but I want to show you the beans, how they are climbing. Well, I like the fact that they're climbing the wires. It looks really pretty. It looks like a mini forest, and I'm loving it. But the thing is, it's becoming heavy. I think it's becoming heavy. And then we have this tree, which was also affected by rain, but it's going to get better. It's gonna get better. So yeah, this video is short like this, short like life. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. Bye. So that's how we end up with a banana that is not ready, but we can't throw it away. But it's going to be looking quite. My conga now was to me maybe take them the other side. I don't like them there. No, take them on the other side so that they can make manure for the other place. Talab. When they dry, they will turn into very good manure. Because this place looks too healthy for... It looks too healthy. That place was becoming very congested. Place was becoming very congested, guys, so he put them here, which is okay, has no problem. But the issue is I don't want them here. They will attract more parasites to hide. But I like the fact that nobody is shaking this tree, and it's looking incredibly nice, like really nice. It's also infected. I wonder what's going on in the world today. You have to spray everything. You basically have to spray on everything, which is not a nice thing. And if you want to know, this is sand, so I cover it like that so that my dogs don't play in it. And you have to cover it, like serious covering it, because if you don't, you are going to cry. If you don't, you're going to cry. And then my rose flower, my night rose plant, is also having buka. So basically the world is full of buka nowadays. Insects, pests, parasites, all of that. What is that? What is that you've put up there? Hey, what happened to Emmy's plate? You bring that plate and I see. Hey, what happened? Hey, guys. What happened? This is supposed to be my dog's plate. Eh. Uwa. Really? Eh. Now we will have to buy another one. Jesus. Nedda Michael. Sembezekeri because I want to pour tomatoes here. Nkole nursery bed. Wano, like here, around here. Because it's most fertile here. That's why I want to put the nursery bed. So put them just in the sides there like that. Yeah. We have some soil in the bags, but this soil is not enough. So I want to buy black soil, since I already told you that my soil is brown and very stony, which is fertile for cassava, for groundnuts, but not for vegetables, you know. So don't be mad that I'm not growing my own veggies. Aha, kati awo checho.